up, y'all? A-Gang the Official back with another video, man. Look, it has been a minute. I lied to y'all and I deeply apologize because on one of my last videos I said, hey, it's looking like I got time to do this and I'm gonna be every week with a video. I lied. Life has smacked me in the mouth and I have been busy just handling stuff or just working or got a lot on my plate right now. But I still wanted to bring y'all this video, and I got some more stuff that I plan on doing. Hopefully I can actually get to it and life can slow down just a tad bit. But hey, I wanted to rant just a little bit, if I may. I don't know if anybody else noticed this, but have y'all paid attention to the fact that most of your dealerships don't know squat about the cars that they sell? And I got information to back this up. And I said most of them. Not all of them, most of them. Granted, there are like good salesmen and good people that work at the dealership that know all about the cars that they sell. They know it from top to bottom, and they do, research and they find out every bit of information about the cars that they sell so they can help out the customer because they are actually great salesmen. But most of them don't know a damn thing. And this is why I say this. I visited my local dealership not too long ago. I'm not gonna say what the name is. I went there, and for a while I was looking for, so y'all know I drive a 2023 Dodge Challenger Swinger Edition. Well, when I bought it, it did not have the Swinger decal or the tail band going across the trunk. So I did a lot of research and stuff. Couldn't find the right color on the ones that I wanted, or I just couldn't find them, period. I would have to get one made from like a vinyl shop or off Amazon, the little iffy ones, and I was like, nah, I don't want to do that. I'd rather just go to the dealership and get it priced and see if I can get it there, because it is an OEM part, technically, and Dodge should have it. If not have it, be able to order it, and I want to see how much that costs. So I went to the dealership, and I was directed to the parts department. Went back there, talked to a guy. I said, hey man, I'm looking for a Swinger tail band to go with my Challenger, and I was just trying to see how much it costs. This dude looked me in the face with confusion. He said, you talking about like the sway bar for the suspension? Excuse me? Sway and Swinger. The Swinger tail band, it goes across the trunk. It's a decal. He said, oh, okay, I got you. I don't know what that is, but you got a part number I can look up? What? You work here. How do you not know what that is? It's a very well-known part for any Challenger. Not just the Swinger edition, but the Daytonas have them. Most people just put the tail band going across the trunk for the hell of it. It didn't make sense to me. But here's another example, because it continues the same day, 10 minutes later, after he, quoted me the part, which was $600 dadgum dollars, and I said hell no to that. I went to a different guy in the parts department to ask about the warranty on my wheels. So my wheels started peeling for some reason. It's like the coating on them is coming off. You can definitely notice a chunk of the clear coat missing. And I was like, hey, I was just trying to see were these wheels under warranty. He said, yeah, let's go out here and take a look at them. Looked at my Challenger and I'm like, hey, are these wheels stock? Yeah, they're stock. They come stock on every Swinger edition. They're like, oh, okay. Well, never seen them this color. Again, my mind was blown, because the Swinger edition is the only one with the Gold School wheels on it. If I'm not mistaken, the 2020 anniversary edition Challengers, 50th anniversary Challengers, also had Gold School wheels, if not a lighter color, but they were the same wheels. But he told me plain as day. He was like, yeah, I've never even seen this car before. Mind you, 8 months ago, they had 2 of them sitting on the lot. How do you not know the cars that you sell or work on when you have them. And I know they were on the lot because I watched them Swinger Edition like hawks for the past couple months when I was trying to buy them. 2 of them, a white one and a green one. Both Swinger Editions. How have you not ever seen this car before? Or the color? It baffled me. I was appalled. Shocked. What's another word I can find? In awe, motherfucker. But yeah, it killed me that the dealers themselves don't know anything on the lot. And again, this is just most of them. But if you still don't believe me, I dare you to challenge your own local dealership. You go up there and you start asking questions about the car that you drive or about the car that you want and see just how much knowledge they know. Because I was prepared to go up there and be like, hey, what's something about this car you can tell me that I don't already know? It could be something simple. What engine is in this car? What makes this car different from the car that sits beside it? What packages do this car come in? Oh yeah, that's another thing. When I told him about the car, about it being a Swinger Edition, he was like, man, they make so many of these editions, I can't just keep up with them. Excuse me, I don't work here, and I know every addition to this car. This is your livelihood. You work here. You should definitely know all the trim levels of this car. It don't make sense. What standard do we hold our salespersons to? Because if I go on a lot and I want to buy a car, you are supposed to sell me said car. Sell it to me. Tell me about it. Tell me why I would want it. I think just because you work at forget it. Because you work at a Dodge dealership, if I come wanting a Charger, you just gonna look at me and be like, man, it ride good, it go fast, it look nice. Like that BS gonna sell me on buying this car. Granted, most people, it do sell them. But anyway, if I want to know about a certain edition, just say I was buying a special edition to this car. What could you have possibly told me about the Swinger Edition or the Mopar Edition or the difference between the Daytona and the regular RT or the regular 6.4? The narrow body versus the wide body. What can you tell me that's different? Is the suspension different? I know it has a wide body on it, clearly. What else is different? The wheels are wider, brakes are different. The engine is different from this one to that one. I mean, it blows my mind how little the salesperson know or the people at the dealer know about the cars that they sell. I thought it was the dumbest thing ever. I shouldn't go in the dealership telling you everything about the car that I want to buy, because if that's the case, what's the point of you working? I can go online and buy this car and totally bypass this whole process. And the only reason why I went in there is because of the negotiation part. That's the only reason I need to get over on you, because I hate dealing with dealers, and I know I'm not the only one. They freaking suck. They'll tell you lies straight to your face. If I can bypass all that BS and negotiate with a computer or an AI, which I heard is about to be a thing, but if I can do that process online, what's the point of me going through a salesperson? A, you don't know shit about it. And B, I don't even like people like that. I don't want to talk to you. Maybe that's just me, though. That's just me. Excuse me for ranting this morning. I felt like I had to. But anyway, look, man, I got some stuff planned. I hope that y'all can stick around. To the people that's, around the central Mississippi area, I want to start planning stuff, man. I want to start getting together with people and going somewhere and setting up little cruises and meets. So I'm going to start trying to be a lot more active on YouTube and Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow my Instagram, please go follow it. You already know the name. agame_the_official. It is a gloomy day today. Golly, I ain't get no sunlight in this mug. Also, I started a Twitch account. For the sake of starting a Twitch account, I just did it. I mean, I play Call of Duty all the time, and I get on this website called Player Lounge, and I kind of bet on it. But in order to do that, I had to get a Twitch. So I made a Twitch. And I actually stream on there. So feel free to follow me on Twitch. agame343. I suck at Call of Duty. Follow me anyway, just because, I like to talk and I have my moments where I'm kind of funny, kinda. But anyway. Okay, somebody calling me. That's all I got for y'all right now, man. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully I'll see y'all soon.